Recall that capacitor is a device that stores and supplies electrical energy. It is similar to a rechargeable battery but charges and discharges much quicker. It is attached to the compressor motor, fan motor, or blower motor. A single run capacitor is connected to a single motor. It has two terminals, COM and COM. The two wires that come from the motor can connect to either terminal. The dual run capacitor is able to support two motors, such as compressor motor and fan motor, in the outdoor unit. It has three terminals, COM connects to the compressor, fan connects to the fan motor, and COM connects to the contactor. Recall that the capacitor stores energy. One of the initial steps during the inspection is to discharge the capacitor. To discharge the capacitor, we connect the two terminals using a screwdriver. We turn the multimeter selecting knob to the capacitance section, for measuring capacitance. Recall that we measure the capacitance by touching the red probe to COM and the black probe to COM. The measured capacitance value should be within the range specified by the manufacturer. Any value out of the range indicates a problem with the capacitor. We need to replace such a capacitor.